Good morning and Assalamu alaikum nursery class. So today is Monday and teacher Faiza is with you with your maths class nursery class. So kindly open nursery class you this page of the worksheet nursery, okay, in which you have to count and color the correct number of object. Okay nursery class, in which you have to count and color the correct number of object. So first of all, nursery class, write down the date at the top of the page. So nursery class, what is date today? Today date is 3, or you can say 3rd of May. Nursery class, our new month has been started nursery class. So what is the name of this new month? May. Okay. So write down over here 3 dash 5 dash 2121. So nursery class, we will write here classwork because you are doing this work with your teacher. Okay nursery class. So nursery class, here we have number 6. So we have to count 6 objects. Okay, more than 6 objects we are not going to count, and we are not doing in coloring in that. Okay nursery class. So put the finger and count 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop over here nursery class. Okay, don't count this. Put a cross over here. Okay nursery class. So again count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay nursery class. So we will do coloring in 6 object. Okay, and teacher put a cross in that object, so we are not going to do the coloring in that. Okay nursery class, move to the next number, which is number 10. Can you see nursery class clearly? So nursery class, these are shoes and they are tied with a rope. Okay nursery class. So we will count only 10 shoes. Okay, I have told you the rule of counting nursery. Put a finger and then count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay nursery class, 10 comes here. So nursery class, after that we will give a cross to them. Cross here nursery, cross here nursery, cross here nursery, and cross over here nursery. Okay nursery class, and also cross over here. Okay, we will not do the coloring in the cross objects. Okay nursery class. So you will count the 10 shoes nursery class, and we'll do the color in 10 shoes. Now move to the socks. Okay nursery class. So how many socks you have to count nursery class? 8. How many socks you have to count? 8. Now put the finger on the first socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many socks are here nursery class? How many socks we have to count nursery class? 8. Count once again with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And put a cross in these 2 socks nursery class. Okay, we are not going to color in these 2 socks. Okay nursery. Now move to the next number, which is this number. This is number 7. So how many candles you will count nursery class? You will count 7 candles. Okay, and you know the rules of the counting. Put the finger on the object and then count with the teacher. Nursery class, please don't ask from the mama. Please say, mama, I can write. Okay, mama is not allowed to write on your copies. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many candles are here, nursery class? 7. How many candles are here, nursery class? 7. Okay, nursery class, we will not do the coloring in these two candles. Put a cross, nursery class. Okay? Very good. Now move to the last number. What is this number? This is number 9. So how many copies you will do the color, nursery class? 9. Now let's count with the teacher, nursery class. Put the finger and then count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In how many hockeys you will color, nursery class? 9. Okay, my nursery? So we will give a cross to this hockey. Okay, nursery? I hope that you got it, nursery. Okay. So nursery class, now you and me do the beautiful coloring in the picture. We will do the color and then meet again. Okay. G nursery class. Now you can see that your teacher have done beautiful coloring in these picture, nursery class, and I expect the same from you, nursery class. See, I did not color that picture which I put a cross. Okay, you can see. Okay, and you are also not allowed to do the coloring in the cross pictures. Okay, nursery class. Now nursery, turn the next page. So nursery class, in this page you have to count and you have to match with the correct number. Okay, nursery class. So nursery class, what is these? These are books. What are these? These are books. So we have to count how many books are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many books are here, nursery class? 5. So nursery class, they have given us number 5, number 6 and number 7. But I have told you how many books are here? 5. So which number we will circle, nursery class? Number 5. Match 5 with the books. Okay, nursery class? And we also will do the color in the number 5. Okay, now move to the next number. What are these? These are fish. What are these? These are fish. Now put a finger and then count how many fish are here, nursery class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fish are here, nursery class? 6. So we have to find out number 6. Is it a number 6, nursery? No. Is it number 6, nursery? No. Is it number 6? Yes, yes, yes. So nursery class, match number 6 with the fish. Okay, we will do the color in the fish and number 6 also. Now nursery class, move to the honeybees. So we have to count how many honeybees are here. Put the finger and then count with the teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many honeybees are here, nursery class? 8. So we have to find out number 8. Is it number 8? No. Is it number 8? Yes, yes, yes. So nursery class, kindly match 8 with the honeybee. You can match with any honeybee, okay? So nursery class, flowers. Oh my god, you know, last week we draw the flower with the paint. I love that activity, nursery class, and thank you for sending me the activities. Okay, all are very beautiful, nursery class. Now let's come and count the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many flowers are here, nursery class? 9. Okay, so you have to match 9 with the flowers. Okay, okay, nursery class. Now what is this? These are sun. What is these? These are sun. You know, sun shine in the morning. You remember the activity that what we can see in the daytime? Gee, sun is one of that thing. That the sun, we see sun in the daytime. Okay. So nursery class, let's come and count how many sun are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many sun are here nursery class? 9. So is it number 9 nursery class? No, no, no. Is it number 9 nursery class? Yes. So nursery class match 9 with 9. Very good. Clap for you nursery. So nursery class, now move to the next thing. Oh, ice creams. I love it nursery class. So nursery class, put the finger and count how many ice creams are here. These are cone ice creams now. Yum, yum, yum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cones ice cream are here nursery class? 10. So we have to find out number 10. Is it number 10? No. Is it number 10? No, no, no. Is it number 10 nursery? Yes. So we have to match this 10 with these ice creams. Oh wow, lovely nursery class. So we have done our 2 pages of worksheet nursery class. You also have to do beautiful coloring in these picture, okay? Also in the correct numbers and in the pictures. Okay nursery class, now come to your homework. So nursery class, this is your 1-page homework. Write the missing numbers. Okay nursery class, you have to write the missing numbers. You write these number with blue color. Okay nursery class, and you write the missing number with the green color. Okay nursery, you write these number with the blue color, and you will write the missing number with the pink color, and you will write this page on your copies. Okay nursery class, on your maths work copy. This is your 1 page of homework nursery class. So nursery class, this is your 2nd page of homework nursery class, in which you have to write the counting of 0 to 20. Okay nursery class, in the same page, on 1 page, that you will write the counting from 1 to 20. I think it's very simple for you. Then draw the margin line nursery class, okay, in the middle of the page, and then write the backward counting from 20 to 0. Okay nursery class, you will write these 2 counting on the same page. Okay, so again you will write the counting from 0 to 20 with the blue pencil nursery class. Okay, and you will write the backward counting with the pink pencil. Okay nursery class, so it will come clear to me. And you can write this with the blue color, and you can write these with lead pencil. Okay, so there should be a color differentiation between these 2 countings. Okay nursery class, so I hope that you are doing the width of a last name nursery class, and thank you so very much once again, and your mothers who are cooperating with us in this situation. Okay nursery class, take lots of good care nursery class. Please do pray for your teachers, for your school, and for your friends and family. Okay nursery class, I love you. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Goodbye nursery.